Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by putting on gloves and eye protection, safety first. Once done, check the shears. Clean blades, a drop of oil, and a firm pivot nut so cuts stay crisp. Position yourself with feet shoulder-width apart and the string or chalk line at hip height. Make the first short, decisive snips toward you at a 45 degrees angle, removing excess sod only. This establishes a clean edge and makes the rest much faster. You keep moving along the line using a rhythm, one long slice to set the profile, then a couple of short, finishing snips to smooth irregularities. Make sure to hold the shears at about a 45 degrees angle to the turf so roots get a clean cut without tearing. Once a section is done, step back and inspect the contour. Correct high spots with light feathering. If the line wanders, reset with the string and retrim that 3-5-foot section carefully. You wrap up by removing clippings and brushing dirt from blades, then wipe and oil the pivot and cutting edges to prevent rust. Once done, test a small piece of turf to confirm a clean shear. If cuts look ragged, stop and sharpen the blades or slightly tighten the pivot. Make sure to store shears hanging or in a sheath. If the edge still frays, check your angle and repeat light trimming. This combo fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.